Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls on your speaker EDIFIER D32. All controls at this speaker we have on the front side, at the bottom. Now, firstly we have power button. If you press and hold this power button, you will turn on or turn off your speaker. If you press one time, you will swap between input modes. Right now I have blue one, this one is Bluetooth mode. Press again, we have a green one, this one is aux mode, so if you use mini jack, you need to have this LED light. Then press again, we have the red one, this one is USB, so if you use USB-C to USB-C, this one is yours. And the last one, white, this one is AirPlay. After that we will return to the Bluetooth mode. Then we have Bluetooth button. You need to press and hold this Bluetooth button until the LED lights start blinking blue, and you will enter it. Then we have play and pause button. Firstly, let me check, is it connected with my phone? Yes, it's connected. Amazing. And with play or pause button, you will play or pause the song or the movie. So I have right here SoundCloud. I press one time, just pause the song, press again, and I play a song. Then we have volume down and volume up button. So let me open the application. If you press one time at the volume up button, you will increase the volume. And as you can see, I increase it. To lower it, you need to use volume down button. Press again, and I lower the volume. Now, if you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. So press and hold. If you press and hold at the volume down button, you will play previous track. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!